এর পরবর্তী যে অঙ্কটা সেখানে আমরা একটি ফাংশন নিচ্ছি যেটার দুটি আর্গুমেন্ট, কিন্তু আর্গুমেন্টগুলো এক্স ওয়াই জেড তিনটের উপরে ডিপেন্ডেন্ট। অঙ্কটাকে আমরা দুভাবে করতে পারি। এক, যদি আমরা অঙ্কটাকে ডিরেক্টলি এক্স প্লাস ওয়াই প্লাস জেডকে ইউ আর এক্স স্কোয়ার প্লাস ওয়াই স্কোয়ার প্লাস জেড স্কোয়ারকে ভি ধরি এবং ডেল এফ ডেল ইউ, সুতরাং ভেতরে ডেল ইউ ডেল এক্স ডেল ইউ ডেল জেড পি, এভাবে যদি করতে করতে যাই এবং ডেল ইউ ডেল এক্সের ভ্যালু এক্ষেত্রে 1, ডেল ইউ ডেল জেডের ভ্যালুটাও এক্ষেত্রে 1, এভাবে যদি করি তাহলে উই ক্যান কনস্ট্রাক্ট ইট লাইক ডেল এফ ডেল ইউ মাল্টিপ্লাইড, যেখানে আমি ধরে নিচ্ছি ইউ ইজ ইকুয়াল টু এক্স প্লাস ওয়াই প্লাস জেড এবং ভি ইজ ইকুয়াল টু এক্স স্কোয়ার ওয়াই স্কোয়ার প্লাস জেড স্কোয়ার। তাহলে এই অংশটুকু থেকে আমি পাবো, প্রথমে আমি জানি আসবে ডেল ইউ ডেল এক্স ইজ ইকুয়াল টু 1 and del u del z is equal to 1 as well, multiplied with a p, plus del f del v multiplied with del v del x, this is 2x, plus del v del z 2z multiplied with a p is equal to 0. On a similar run we can find del f del u. Now this will be del u del y and that is equal to 1, and del u del z that is equal to 1 as well, multiplied with a q, and del u del v, again now the second term will be differentiated by y, and so the first term will be del 2y and this will be 2z q is equal to 0. And now just by the solution, I mean if we want to eliminate del u del f del u and del f del v, then we can find them as or actually simply we can state it like, see, del f del u over del f del v, we can think it like we take it this side and divided by that, so minus 2x plus 2zp over 1 plus p, right? And from this equation the same will turn to be minus 2y plus 2zq is equal to 1 over q, sorry, I mean this over 1 plus q. And now simplifying this two, what we can find that this is 2x1 plus q, 2, actually why I'm carrying this 2, we can cut them out, and this is zp 1 plus q, y 1 plus p, zq 1 plus p, and now take all those pq's in one side, then we can simplify it like y p plus if we see that this zpq they cancels, right? And then minus xq, so this term also gone, there is a zp, right? So minus zp and there is a plus zq is equal to, this side this is x and this side this is y, so we have now p y minus z minus, or plus rather, q z minus x, and this is x minus y, right? So this is the differential equation what we wanted to form. But there is another methodology as well, as we have shown that if such an equation is given, then simply we can turn that, tell that the corresponding differential equation will be this, where we have written that p is equal to the Jacobian of uv del y z. Now what does that mean? This is del u del y del u del z del v del y del v del z, and this you can see that this is equal to 2 into z minus y. Similarly, q, that is the Jacobian uv del zx, and this is equal to 2 multiplied with x minus z, and r, this is the Jacobian uv del xy is equal to 2y minus x. তোমরা কিভাবে যদি ফর্মুলাটা মনে রাখতে চাও তাহলে মনে রেখো p, যেটা কিনা স্মল p অর্থাৎ ডেল z ডেল x এর কোফিশিয়েন্ট, সেক্ষেত্রে এখানে x থাকবে না, y এর ক্ষেত্রে y থাকবে না, আর যখন z এর কোফিশিয়েন্ট তখন x y দুজন থাকবে, z থাকবে না। এবং তোমরা এবার এটাকে সাজাও, দেখো এই সমীকরণটা আমরা পেয়ে গেছি। তো নেক্সট অঙ্কে যাব আমরা। This problem is saying that z is equal to xy plus অর্থাৎ একটা নর্মাল টার্ম দেওয়া হলো and another function with a argument x square minus y square is given, and we have to find out the corresponding partial differential equation. Now simply we are writing p is equal to y plus 2x f dashed. Just simple chain rule. We have differentiated f with respect to x square minus y square, and that's why we have multiplied with a differentiation of x square minus y square with respect to x, and this is this 2x. If you just want to check, then there is an intermediary line, that is this is del x of xy and del f del x square minus y square del x square minus y square del x, and that turns to be this term. Now similarly, q is equal to x plus minus 2y f dashed, right? So simply we will replace this f dashed, right? So f dashed is from this equation, this is p minus y over 2x, and from this equation this is q minus x over 2y and with a minus sign, so 2 cancels out and this gives us y p minus y plus x q minus x is equal to 0. That is, simplifying, we can write y p plus x q is equal to x square plus y square, if I'm not wrong. So this is the differential equation. I hope I have not made any mistake with the signs, please check them. And the second problem, say this is f, the argument is xy over z. Now what to do? P, that is the differentiation with respect to x, is equal to f dashed of xy over z, that is we have taken the differentiation with respect to the argument itself, so we have to differentiate this argument with respect to x as well, and this is y over z minus xy over z square into p, as we have differentiated this 1 over z there, and q is equal to again f xy over z and now we have to differentiate with respect to y, and that is x over z minus, similarly as before, x y over z square, as we are differentiating 1 over z, and del z del y, that is equal to q. And we will simply divide these two equations, and we have p over q is equal to y over z x y over z square p x over z x y q z square. So simply z cancels out, and also you can write it like zy minus xy p and zx minus xy q, and simplifying we can obtain our equation, or the chord equation. Okay, so we can find actually several such kind of problems. We can do all those practice from different books. Please do that and tell me if any problems we are finding where the making the partial differential equations is something wrong, or it's something difficult. Show me and we can discuss that well.